Hello everyone, welcome in our channel Job Corner. So friends, today I will discuss a new recruitment which was published by the Agricultural Scientist and Recruitment Board. So let's see what are the posts available, what will be the educational qualification, how to apply, what will be the application fee and everything. Before starting the video, I want to say that we continuously upload videos on different kind of recruitment, so do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and also share with your friends. The notification which you are following in the screen, this is the actual notification. So let's discuss what are the details. In the first one, we will see some important dates that submission of online application starts on 23rd/07/2021 and last date is 23rd/08/2021, and the pay scale will be level 10 7 CPC pay matrix, pay band 3 15,600 to 39,100 plus 5,400 grade pay. Now we will discuss about the vacancies. That first post AO and total post is 44, and second is F and AO, total post is 21. Now we will discuss about the educational qualification. For first post, that is AO, means administrative officer. Candidate must be a graduate and minimum marks is 55%. And for the second post, finance and accounts officer, candidate must be graduate and minimum mark is 55%. We will discuss about the age limit. A candidate who want to apply, he should be aged between 21 years to 30 years. We will discuss about the how to apply. A candidate who want to apply for this post, he must apply in their official website, that is http://www.asrb.org.in, and the online application date will be 23rd/07/2021 to 23rd/08/2021. Means within this time you must apply in their official website. During application you have to pay application fee. Now we will discuss about this application fee. For the first post, that is administrative officer, or UR OBC and EWS candidate, examination fee is 480 and registration fee is 20, total 500. And for the women, SC and ST, examination fee no need to pay, registration fee is only 20, so total fee is 20. Now for the second post, that is finance and accounts officer, for UR OBC and EWS, examination fee is 480 and registration fee 20, total 500. And for women, SC ST PWD, examination fee no need to pay and registration fee 20, means total 20 rupees. For both posts, means AO and F and AO, UR OBC EWS candidate, examination fee is 960 and registration fee 40, means total 1000. And for SC ST women PWD candidate, only registration fee is 40, means total fee is 40. Now we will discuss about the selection process, that is examination process. For the first post, that is administrative officer, first stage will be tier 1, which will be based on objective type multiple choice question and which will carry 200 marks, and the syllabus is showing in the screen. The second stage will be tier 2 and this is based on descriptive paper, and also the syllabus is shown in screen. And the last postage will be tier 3, means interview, and which will contain 100 marks. For the second post, the first stage will be tier 1 objective type, second stage will be tier 2 descriptive type paper. This was the short information video about this notification. We will upload this notification in our video description box. You can download this and go through the full notification. At the last we mention the important dates, that online submission starting date is 23rd/07/2021 and last date is 23rd/08/2021. Within this time you should apply in their official website.